Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we see some mostly cloudy conditions this morning that are going to continue into the afternoon today. We've got an area of low pressure that will slowly move off the coast, and as it does, we'll see partly cloudy skies return to the Wallops region by mid-afternoon to late afternoon today. Looking at the conditions from yesterday, a pretty nice day throughout the region. Temperatures pretty seasonable, 65 degrees, your daytime high here at Wallops. A little warmer off to our north and west. You can see Washington, D.C. coming in with a 72 degree high temperature yesterday. Baltimore also near 70 degrees. Overnight last night, temperatures in the 50s for overnight lows. Salisbury, Ocean City, and Dover, the coolest of the reporting stations, with a low of 50 degrees. Wallops coming in with a low temperature of 52 degrees. Over the past 24 hours, just a little bit of precipitation out there. Richmond and Washington, D.C. coming in with a trace, everybody else remaining dry. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the upper 50s across the region. Mostly cloudy skies here at Wallops with a temperature of 57 degrees. Looking at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, that freezing level was at 7,900 feet. And our winds generally have a northerly direction as we go up through the first 5,000 or 6,000 feet the atmosphere. Then we turn more northwesterly in direction and eventually back to the northeast and the east-northeast direction at the 25,000 foot level, where we see those winds at 24 knots. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see that area of low pressure that I spoke of earlier. We've had a pretty deep upper level low slowly moving off the east coast over the last couple of days, and surface low pressure has developed within that upper level low and spreading some rain shower activity just off the coast. As we look here at the surface analysis, which shows those rain showers staying off the coast, and we have remained dry throughout the morning hours today so far, and we are expecting to continue to see those dry conditions. Upper level low kind of showing up here on infrared satellite as well, with that spin off the coast, with those clouds generally right along the coastal sections. You can see some clearing off to the west, but it will be slow to move off the coast this morning, and we are going to see a pretty good period of time before we see those clouds begin to break up later this afternoon. Looking at our radar, you can see the showers just off the coast. Maybe a few sprinkles in some of the coastal sections of the Delmarva will be possible over the course of the next hour or two, but not looking at a very good chance of those showers actually making it here to Wallops. Looking at our high-res model here over the course of the next couple of hours, you can see those showers just barely hugging the coast as we go through the morning hours, and then into the afternoon the showers will move farther off the coast and really not see much impact at all here, as we should again remain dry with the precipitation staying off the coast this morning. So our forecast maps here showing the midday hours of Monday, looking at that low continuing to move farther east and to the north as well. By tonight, that low should be off the New England coastline, with mostly clear skies here at Wallops. We should see mostly clear and cool conditions overnight tonight, with a pretty decent radiational cooling event with those clear skies and calm winds, allowing the temperature to drop into the 50s. By tomorrow, we're going to see beautiful conditions here, with temperatures rising into the mid-70s with abundant sunshine as well. I should see one of the nicer days we have seen in quite some time here tomorrow, with those sunny skies and warm conditions. And then for Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll see a little bit more cloud cover, especially during the morning hours as this frontal boundary drops south of the Wallops region. We will likely see temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees on Wednesday, before temperatures warm once again as we go into the end of the week and into the weekend. So the next 24 hours, you see a green chart across the board. No hazardous weather expected. Those winds will be increasing as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours, but only gusting to around 18 knots out of a north-northwesterly direction. Seeing mostly sunny skies by late this afternoon into the early evening hours. We'll see mostly clear skies continuing overnight, with those temperatures dropping to around 54 degrees, and then waking up tomorrow morning with mostly sunny skies. And again, a very nice day ahead of us, as we'll see mostly sunny and pleasant conditions. A high of 76 degrees for Tuesday, and Tuesday night into Wednesday looking at nice conditions as well. Just a a very slight chance of a light rain shower during the first part of the day on Wednesday as that frontal boundary starts to move across the region. Looking at a high of around 74 degrees for Wednesday. Really not much of a cold air advection event as that front crosses the region on Wednesday. You'll see slightly cooler temperatures on Thursday with a high around 70 degrees, but not much of a drop in our temperatures as we'll see warm conditions all week long, averaging around 65 degrees for a daytime high this time of year. So we'll be about 5 degrees above that for Tuesday and Wednesday, or 5 to 10 degrees above that for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then seeing those unseasonably warm conditions continuing into the weekend. Really the only chance of any kind of significant precipitation that we'll see this week will be Friday morning as we have a frontal boundary that will be crossing the region. Not looking at a very high chance of thunderstorm activity embedded with that line of showers that moves through Friday morning. We'll keep monitoring that though for the chances for that to occur, but it does look like mainly a rain event and not a real heavy rain event either, as the dynamics don't look real strong with this system as it moves through early Friday morning. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.